You've been invited to watch your country's basketball team compete, and you've been asked to bring a dish. Well, we got you covered here at the Side Guy Cooks with Korean chicken wings with fried rice. So let's get started. Let's make the dry rub. Gochugaru is a Korean spice made from dried chilies and can be found at your local Asian market. Let's prepare the chicken wings. Set the timer for 50 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Genomic studies estimate that chickens were first domesticated 8,000 years ago in Southeast Asia. Time to make the sauce. Gochujang is a red chili paste that can be found in most stores and Asian markets. Let's make the fried rice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Those look great right out of the oven. Let's get this dish on a plate. Garnish with sesame seeds and green onion. Let's try one. Oh, these Korean chicken wings are really delicious. The combination of sweet and spicy creates a sophisticated flavor profile for these amazing wings. Let's try the fried rice. Wow, that's really good. The combination of ginger and garlic pairs well with the Gochujang and the Gochugaru, taking this dish to the next level. I'm gonna have a bit more. Yes, this Korean fried rice is the perfect accompaniment to the Korean chicken wings. Join the conversation, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like the game's at halftime. Looks like the Korean chicken wings and fried rice you made completes the table. Stay with us for a while. Watch another video.